Welcome to Yangshuo. Gillen, widely known to the world as one of the most poetic and naturally beautiful landscapes on Earth. Located in southern China's Guangxi region, this land is famous for its one-of-a-kind Karst mountain river scenery, a gentle and dreamlike natural wonder that cannot be found anywhere else in North America or Europe. For thousands of years, artists, travelers, and poets have been captivated by Yangshuo's quiet magic. Unlike sharp rocky mountains, vast deserts, or rough coastlines, Yangshuo's landscape is soft, elegant, and incredibly soothing. Countless standalone limestone peaks rise gently from flat green farmland and winding rivers, creating an endless painting-like view that feels both surreal and peaceful. This full 8-hour immersive nature journey invites you to slow down completely. Leave behind busy schedules, urban noise, and mental pressure. Allow your eyes and mind to rest frame by frame as you explore every gentle change of light, mist, water, and mountain across Yangshuo's iconic scenery. The entire region is covered in fresh, lively green all year round. Warm, humid climate, abundant rainfall, and pure river water nourish every corner of this land, keeping mountains lush, rivers clear, and the air soft and moist. Walking or viewing here feels like stepping inside a traditional Chinese ink wash. Landscape painting dug from high overlook perspectives. You can see layer after layer of karst peaks stretching far into the horizon. The mountains are not grand and intimidating, but slender, graceful, and quiet. They stand independently, scatter across the wilderness, and blend perfectly with farmland, bamboo forests, and winding water systems. The sky above Yangshuo is bright, clean, and transparent. Soft daylight flows evenly over mountaintops and river surfaces. Clouds drift slowly and casually, casting gentle moving shadows on the green land. Every subtle shift of light brings a new peaceful atmosphere too. The whole valley dot. What makes Yangshuo so healing is its unique gentle rhythm. The mountains stand still, the river flows slowly, the wind brushes softly, and time passes calmly. There is no rush, no noise, no disturbance, only pure natural serenity. That calms your nerves instantly. In this opening hour, we immerse ourselves in the overall grand and dreamlike panorama of Gillen Yangshuo, feeling the gentle, poetic, and timeless charm of world-famous karst scenery. quietly between thousands of standalone karst peaks. What surprises every viewer most is the extreme clarity of the Lee River water on windless sunny days. The river's surface is as smooth as a giant polished mirror. It perfectly reflects every green peak, every floating cloud, every strand of blue sky, creating a symmetrical double world effect where real mountains and water reflections merge completely along the river banks. Karst peaks display rich and varied natural shapes. Some look like stacked towers, some resemble crouching beasts, some are slender and sharp like natural stone pillars, and some are round and gentle like sleeping giants. Each mountain has its own unique posture, and artistic charm dot the watercolor of the Lee River changes gently with light and depth. Shallow shore water is transparent and crystal clear, allowing faint views of underwater stones and aquatic plants. The mid-river water presents beautiful turquoise and emerald green tones. Fresh, bright, and extremely healing to watch. Gentle breeze often sweeps across the river's surface, creating fine, soft ripples that spread outward slowly. The ripples slightly shake the mountain reflections, making the static painting like scenery flow gently, lively, and flexible without breaking the peaceful atmosphere. Riverside forests and green trees grow densely along the water edge. Tall bamboos sway softly in the wind, forming a continuous green corridor wrapping the Lee River. The fresh green foliage, clear running water, and distant blue peaks form a pure natural color palette. The most iconic section of the Lee River is the Xingping Scenic Area, the exact landscape printed on China's 20 yuan banknote. This stretch of river concentrates the most classic essence of Gillen's mountain water scenery, representing the peak aesthetic of Oriental natural landscape art. This hour focuses entirely on the timeless daytime beauty of the Lee River. Mountains embrace water, water mirrors mountains, and the whole world becomes quiet, elegant, and endlessly poetic. as the Little Lee River. This winding water system flows through vast rural farmland, dense bamboo forests, and scattered karst peaks, presenting a slow countryside rhythm that Western audiences deeply love. The Yulong River terrain is extremely flat and gentle. There are no rapid currents or steep drops. The water flows steadily and softly all year round, winding freely through green fields and bamboo clusters. The whole river looks like a soft green silk ribbon laid casually on the rural land. Bamboo rafts are the most classic feature of Yulong River scenery, floating slowly on the calm water. These simple traditional rafts bring a sense of ultimate relaxation, without engine noise or rapid shaking. You only hear soft water sound and gentle wind, experiencing the purest slow travel rhythm of nature. Surrounding the Yulong River is endless rural wilderness, layered farmland, scattered fruit trees, wild grass slopes, and small country pots form a peaceful countryside picture far away from modern urbanization. The scenery here is simple, original, and warm, full of earthly tranquility. The air around Yulong River countryside is particularly fresh, mixed with the fragrance of green crops, wild flowers, bamboo leaves, and moist river water. It creates a relaxing rural breathing experience. The open field vision makes people feel free, relieved, and completely relaxed. Cloud shadows drift slowly over the pastoral fields. The alternation of light and shadow makes the vast green wilderness never monotonous. Every minute brings subtle brightness changes, making the rural scenery vivid and lively throughout the day. Small water dams and shallow water terraces distribute along the Yulong River. The gentle flowing water over low stone barriers creates soft layered water sounds, forming natural white noise perfect for meditation, studying, and sleeping. This hour records Yangshuo's most healing pastoral scenery, away from grand scenic impacts. The Yulong River countryside delivers quiet warmth and gentle comfort, letting every viewer feel the slow beauty of nature and rural peace. water systems. Early morning and daytime valleys are often wrapped in thin floating mist, turning the entire karst landscape into a living inkwash painting. Yangshuo's mist is soft, light, and translucent. It never blocks the whole view completely, but floats gently between mountain gaps, lingers above river surfaces, and winds around peak bodies. The mist moves slowly and freely with the breeze, bringing endless dynamic changes to the static landscape under the shroud of mist. The sharp outlines of karst peaks become soft and hazy. Near mountains retain fresh green textures, while distant peaks fade into pale gray and white layers, layer by layer. The distant mountains create a profound, ethereal spatial sense that Western viewers rarely see in ordinary natural scenery. The river water blends perfectly with the mist. The water surface becomes blurred and integrated with the foggy sky, making the boundary between water and sky indistinct. The whole scene looks dreamy, quiet, and extremely artistic, just like the classical Oriental landscape aesthetics pursued by global artists. Soft diffused light penetrates the mist. Harsh direct sunlight is completely filtered, leaving uniform gentle brightness covering the entire valley. The colors of mountains, water, bamboo, and fields become softer, warmer, and more harmonious. Sometimes the mist gathers slightly, wrapping single peaks into isolated fairy islands standing above a sea of fog. Sometimes it disperses slowly, gradually revealing clear river lines and green mountain textures. The gathering and dispersing of mist is nature's most gentle visual performance. The misty atmosphere greatly reduces visual impetuosity and calms chaotic thoughts. It creates a quiet, distant, and peaceful mood, very suitable for long-term watching, relaxation, and spiritual healing. This art fully displays Yangshuo's famous hazy mist scenery, interpreting the most ethereal, poetic, and dreamy side of Gilin landscape. mist dissipates completely, and the true colors of Karst mountains and clear rivers are fully presented. The green vegetation on mountain peaks becomes extremely saturated and vivid under direct sunlight. Every leaf and every cluster of grass is fresh and bright, full of vigorous vitality. The layered green mountain groups are distinct in depth, three-dimensional and lively. The Lee River and Yulong River water are crystal transparent at noon. Sunlight penetrates the water body, illuminating underwater textures clearly. The water surface shimmers with bright light spots, clean and pure, bringing a strong sense of visual freshness. The texture of Karst rock mountains is fully displayed under bright light. The natural layered limestone lines, weathered traces, and planned attachment points are clearly visible, showing the delicate geological details formed by millions of years of natural evolution. The sky is pure blue, with sparse floating white cumulus clouds. The clean sky background sets off the green mountains and turquoise water perfectly, forming a high saturation natural color picture that is bright but not dazzling. The wind is fresh and transparent at noon. It blows across the river's surface, bamboo forests, and pastoral fields, bringing the purest natural breath. The whole world feels open, bright and relaxed. Birds sing freely in the mountain forests and river corridors. The clear and lively bird sounds echo in the open valley, adding vivid natural vitality to the bright daytime scenery. This records Yangshuo's most energetic and pure daytime appearance, showing the fresh, bright, and vibrant charm of world-class Karst landscape. and more romantic, entering the most comfortable viewing period of the day. The sunlight slants down from high altitude, gilding the edges of karst peaks, bamboo leaves, and river waves. The original fresh green is covered with a layer of warm golden filter, making the whole valley soft and cozy. Mountain shadows begin to stretch and extend. Alternating light and shadow areas enrich the layered sense of scattered peaks and flat wilderness. The whole terrain becomes more three-dimensional and vivid under a bleak light. The river water presents gentle, turquoise, and golden mixed tones in the afternoon light. The flowing water shimmers softly, and the ripples shake slowly, creating a lazy and leisurely water rhythm. The breeze in the afternoon is warm and soothing. It shuttles through bamboo forests, making continuous soft rustling sounds, mixed with the gurgling river flow. It forms a perfect, relaxing, natural ambient sound. Occasional thin mist rises again from the river's surface in the afternoon. Not as dense as morning fog, it only floats lightly above the water, adding a faint hazy texture to the clear afternoon scenery. The pace of nature slows down significantly in the afternoon. Clouds drift lazily, water flows steadily, wind blows gently, and the whole land enters a relaxed and peaceful state. This hour of afternoon soft light captures Yangshuo's most leisurely and comfortable natural atmosphere, bringing continuous gentle healing and visual relaxation. Golden hour is the most romantic and gorgeous moment of Yangshuo's entire day. As the sun approaches the horizon, warm golden and orange glow completely covers the mountains, rivers, fields, and bamboo forests, turning the whole landscape into a dreamy, warm-toned oil painting. Every karst peak is gilded with bright golden edges. The green mountain bodies turn warm orange and soft brown under the sunset, and the mountain outlines become extremely gorgeous. And three-dimensional the river surface fully reflects the sunset sky. Golden clouds, orange glow, and soft pink twilight all fall on the water, making the entire river a flowing golden ribbon. The water and sky merge into one color, magnificent and fairy-like. The sunset clouds change constantly in shape and color, from bright golden yellow to soft peach pink, then to deep warm orange red. The sky presents rich gradient layers, extremely gorgeous and romantic. The valley atmosphere becomes becomes extremely quiet and gentle at dusk. The daytime vitality fades slowly, replaced by warm and peaceful twilight tranquility. All natural things begin to settle down gently. The wind becomes softer and slower. The bamboo rustling sound and river flowing sound become more clear and gentle, forming a warm evening natural melody. Dusk in Yangshuo is not a short fleeting beauty. The sunset light changes slowly minute by minute, allowing you to fully enjoy the most romantic natural transition of the day. This hour records Yangshuo's stunning golden hour dusk scenery, presenting the most gorgeous, warm and dreamy side of Gillen landscape.